Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student, you already know how tough it can be to manage money. Textbooks, rent, food, tuition, it all adds up fast. But what if I told you there are simple ways to save money without sacrificing fun, freedom, or even your favorite coffee? In today's video, I'm breaking down 12 smart, practical, and actually doable ways to save money as a student. Let's jump right in. 1. Track your spending. This is where it all starts. If you don't know where your money is going, how are you going to save it? Use free apps like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, or even just a basic spreadsheet to track what you're spending on: food, subscriptions, transport, everything. Once you see the numbers laid out, you'll probably be surprised. That $4 iced coffee 5 times a week, that's nearly $80 a month. Small leaks sink big ships. 2. Cook at home and meal. Prep eating out is one of the biggest budget killers for students. Cooking at home not only saves money but also teaches you a life skill. A $20 Uber Eats order versus $20 worth of groceries that could feed you for 3 days. It's a no-brainer. Start simple: pasta, stir-fry, sandwiches. Learn a few basics and rotate meals. Bonus tip: prep your meals for the week on Sundays. You'll save money and time. 3. Buy used textbooks. Never buy brand new textbooks unless you absolutely have to. Look for used copies on Amazon, Chegg, eBay, or your campus bookstore. Better yet, ask around. Upperclassmen are often looking to sell or give away books they no longer need. Some schools even have free textbook exchange programs. Also, don't sleep on library rentals or PDFs online, legally, of course. 4. Cut down on subscriptions: Netflix, Spotify, Hulu, Apple Music, Disney+, YouTube Premium. Yeah, it adds up fast. Ask yourself, do you really need all of them? Or could you split the cost with roommates or use family plans? Also, check if your school email gets you a student discount. For example, Spotify plus Hulu for students is a great deal. 5. Use student discounts. There are so many student discounts out there, and most people just forget to use them. Always ask, do you offer a student discount? Some places that give student discounts include Apple, yes, on laptops. Amazon Prime Student. Movie theaters. Clothing stores like ASOS, Topman, and Nike. Software like Adobe, Microsoft Office, and Notion. Always carry your student ID or register with your Edu email online. 6. Walk, bike, or use public transport. If you're living on or near campus, ditch the car. Gas, insurance, parking, it adds up. Instead, bike or walk when you can. Use public transportation with a student pass. Carpool with friends. You'll save hundreds each semester, and it's better for the planet too. 7. Do laundry smart. You'd be surprised how much laundry costs can add up. Don't do tiny loads. Wait until you have a full load and air dry your clothes when possible to save dryer costs. Also, get a laundry rack and hang dry. Your clothes will last longer and you'll save money. 8. Use free campus resources. You're paying for it, so use it. Campus gyms? Free. Tutoring centers? Free. Counseling services? Free. Printing labs? Often free. Need software for class? Your school might offer free access to Microsoft Office, Adobe Suite, or other tools. Just check their IT or student services page. 9. Get a side hustle or campus job. You don't need to work 40 hours a week, but a small side hustle can go a long way. Ideas: campus jobs like tutoring, library assistant, or RA, resident assistant. Freelance writing, design, or editing online. Selling used clothes on Depop or Poshmark. Starting a YouTube channel or blog, it pays off over time. Not only will you earn some money, but you'll build skills and make your resume shine. All right, that's it. 9 smart ways to save money as a student. I hope this helped, and if you made it this far, you're already on the right track. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip or any money-saving hacks you use as a student. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay smart, stay frugal, and keep crushing it in school. Peace.